Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, let's answer a hard question. Can you play Repo and MacBook in 2025? Whether you're on macOS, Soma, or M1 or M2 chip device. Here's what you need to know. So first, yes, you can play a Repo and a MacBook, but it depends how the game is distributed. If Repo is available via Steam and it officially supports macOS, then you're good to go. Just install it directly from the Steam clients like any other game. But if Repo is Windows only, you've got two main options. Option 1. Use Compatibility layer like Crossover or Wineskin. These tools let you run Windows game on macOS without installing Windows. Setups like a bit patient, but many users get a great result if the game is not too demanding. Option 2. Uninstall Windows via Parallels or Bootcamp. Parallels works great on Apple Silicon M1, M2, M3 chips, giving you a full Windows environment for games. As a paid but stable and fast for most Indian titles like Repo. And just heads up, performance varies depending on your MacBook model. If you're using MacBook Air M1, expect playable but limited performance. On a MacBook Pro with M2 or higher, you'll have a much smoother experience. And that's the full picture. Yes, Repo can run on MacBooks in 2025, but you may need to get creative if it's not natively supported. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Mac gaming guides, and drop a comment if you need help setting up your MacBook for gaming. Catch you in the next one.